Hello friends, today we about 100 top 100 GK questions for Delhi police exam. First, who is the father of nation of India? Mahatma Gandhi. Second, when did India get independence? 15 August 1947. Who was the first prime minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which article gives right equality? Article 14. When was the Constitution of India adopted? 26 November 1949. When did the Constitution come into force? 26 January 1950. How many states are there in India 2025? 28 states. Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Force? President of India. Who wrote the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. What is the currency of India? Indian rupees. What is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. What is the national fruit of India? Mango. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman President of India? Pratibha Patil. Who is the smallest state of what is the smallest state of India by area? Goa. सॉरी ये क्वेश्चन रह गया. व्हाट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया बाय एरिया? राजस्थान. विच इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन इंडिया? गंगा. विच इज़ द हाइएस्ट माउंटेन पीक इन इंडिया? कंचनजुंगा. विच सिटी इज़ नोन एज द पिंक सिटी? जयपुर. विच सिटी इज़ नोन एज द City of Joy? Kolkata. Who was the first Indian to got space? Rakesh Sharma. Which is the national game of India? Hockey. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter. Which gas is used by plant for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. Which country is known as the land of rising star? Japan. Who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton. Who discovered electricity? Benjamin Franklin. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. Which organ trophy blood is the human body? Kidney. प्योरीफाई है, फ्रॉफी नहीं है. What is the normal temperature of the human body? 95 degree 98.6 degree Fahrenheit और 37 degree Celsius. Who discovered the vaccine for smallpox? Edward Jenner. Which vitamin is produced in the skin by sunlight? Vitamin D. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Kosi River. Where is the India Gate located? New Delhi. Who built the Red Fort? Shah Jahan. Who built the Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan. Where is the Qutub Minar located? Delhi. Which Mughal emperor started the Din ill religion. Akbar, who was the first Governor General of India. Lord William Ventrix. When was the first war of independence fought? 1857. Who led the revolt of the 1857 John from Jhansi? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Bhagat Singh. Who gave the slogan Do or Die? Mahatma Gandhi. Who gave sorry who gave the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad? ये हो गया. Who gave the slogan of Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Which is which movement started in 1942? Quiet Indian Movement. Who was known as the Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? 2025 नरेंद्र मोदी. Who is the current President of India? 2025 द्रौपदी मुर्मू. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Bengaluru. Where is the headquarters of DRDO located? New Delhi. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization. What is the full form of IPL? Indian Premier League. Who is known as the father of Constitution? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who How many fundamental rights are there in the Constitution? 6. Which article deal with freedom to speech? Article 19. Who appointed the Chief Justice of India? President of India. Where is the Supreme Court of India located? New Delhi. What is the term of Lok Sabha? 5 years. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Which Indian festival is the festival of light? Diwali. Which festival is known as the festival of color? Holi. Which festival is mark the harvest season in Punjab? Vaisakhi. Which is the largest desert in India? Thar Desert. Which is the ocean? Which ocean lie on the south of India? Indian Ocean. What is the name? What is the name of Indian national song? Vande Mataram. Which planet is closest to Sun? Mercury. Which planet is known as Earth twin? Venus. Which is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Which gas do human exhale? Carbon dioxide. What is the study of stars? Astronomy. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which is the largest animal of Earth? Blue whale. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Bengaluru. Which city is known as the financial capital of India? Mumbai. Who invented the computer? Charles Babbage. Does CPU stand for? Central Processing Unit. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless Fidelity. Which country hosted the 2024 Olympic? France, Paris. Who is known as the Flying Sikh of India, Milkha Singh. Who was the first woman IPS officer of India, Kiran Bedi, who is known as the father of modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. What is the national emblem of India, lion capital of Ashoka? How many spokes are in the Ashoka Chakra? 24. Where is the Parliament House located? New Delhi. What is the highest civilization award in India? Bharat Ratan. What is the name of the Indian national flag? Tiranga. Who was the first Indian Nobel Prize winner? Rabindranath Tagore. In which year did the Indian win its first Cricket World Cup? 1983. Who was the capital of India? Sorry. Who was the captain of Indian in the 1983 World Cup? Kapil Dev. Which city is known as the Manchester of India? Ahmedabad. Which is the biggest planet of solar system? Jupiter. Which Indian city is known as the city of lake? Udaipur. Which discover Unical Alexander? Which metal is a liquid at room temperature? Mercury. 100 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुए। दिल्ली पुलिस के और ऐसे ही जीके से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।